Hello everyone and welcome to this new video, where we're going to dive into the world of JBL, a brand well known for its innovative and high-quality audio products. For decades, JBL has established itself as a leader in the field of portable speakers, and today, we're going to check out their latest creation, the JBL Flip 7. If you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that combines durability, sound quality, and modern features, stay with us, because the Flip 7 might just be the one for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details, and to get this speaker if it catches your eye. Let's start with the design of the JBL Flip 7. At first glance, you can recognize the iconic design of the Flip series, a sleek, compact cylinder that fits easily in your hand. JBL chose to keep this shape while enhancing it with high-quality materials. The exterior is covered with a durable nylon fabric designed to let sound through, while providing protection against the elements. This choice of materials gives the speaker a sturdy look while still feeling pleasant to the touch. The JBL Flip 7 is available in several attractive colors, including pink, blue, red, white, camouflage, black and purple, so everyone can pick the one that best matches their personal style. In terms of dimensions, the JBL Flip 7 is about 21 centimeters long, 11 centimeters high, and 9 centimeters deep. Weighing in at 0.8 kilograms, it's a bit heavier than its predecessor, the Flip 6, but this added weight helps keep it stable when placed on a surface, even outdoors. The IP68 certification ensures that the speaker is resistant to water and dust, making it ideal for use at the beach or by the pool. Now let's move on to the main features of the Flip 7 that justify its status as JBL's flagship product. The speaker is equipped with high-performance transducers, featuring a 45 by 80 mm woofer and a 16 mm tweeter. The output power is 25 watts RMS for the woofer and 10 watts RMS for the tweeter, which allows the Flip 7 to deliver powerful and clear sound. The frequency response ranges from 60 Hz to 20 kHz, providing deep bass and crystal clear highs. The Flip 7 uses Bluetooth 5.4 technology, ensuring a stable wireless connection with your devices. One of the new features of this model is the ability to stream lossless audio via the USB-C port, a function that will delight audiophiles looking to get the most out of their favorite streaming service. The Flip 7 also offers customizable sound equalizations through the JBL Portable app, available on Android and iOS. You can choose from several presets or create your own sound profile with the 7-band equalizer. The AuraCast feature lets you connect multiple JBL speakers for an immersive sound experience throughout your home, although this function is limited to recent JBL speakers. When it comes to practical use, the JBL Flip 7 is designed to fit a variety of environments and uses. Whether you're relaxing at home, having a picnic outdoors, or partying on the beach, this speaker is your ideal companion. Its durability and water resistance make it a perfect choice for outdoor activities. You don't have to worry about rain or splashes because its IP68 rating protects it effectively. The speaker is easy to carry thanks to its PushLock system, which lets you quickly attach a carabiner or strap to hang it on your backpack or a tree branch. The physical controls located on the top of the speaker let you adjust the volume, pause the music, or skip tracks with a simple touch. The AuraCast LED shows you when the speaker is connected to other compatible devices. Battery life is another strong point of the JBL Flip 7. With a capacity of 4,800 mAh, it offers up to 14 hours of continuous playback, and the PlayTimeBoost feature can extend that by an additional 2 hours by adjusting the EQ to save energy. Although the lack of a USB-C charging cable is unfortunate, recharging only takes 2.5 hours, with a standard charger and just 1.5 hours with a more powerful charger. Now let's compare the JBL Flip 7 with other similar products on the market. In the portable Bluetooth speaker category, it sits in the mid-range, competing directly with models like the Beats Pill, the Bose SoundLike Flex 2, the Sony SRS X200, and the Ultimate Ears Boom 4. The Flip 7 stands out for its increased durability, its certification, and its advanced sound customization options. Although some competitors offer similar features, few of them combine as much durability and sound performance in a single device. In conclusion, the JBL Flip 7 is a portable Bluetooth speaker that does not disappoint. With its rugged design, advanced technical features, and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing product. Whether you're a passionate music lover or just need a speaker for your daily activities, the Flip 7 will meet your expectations. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information or to purchase your own JBL Flip 7. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you very soon. Bye bye.